Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're going to answer the question of can the Clejuso 11r beat the beef? What do you think, Mrs. D?
I think the beef will open the cuffs.
So, will the Clejuso 11r beat the beef?
No.
Okay.
I think. I don't know, it's too confusing.
So, as you can see, the double lock is on. I'll try and figure out what I did with the beef. There it is. It's a little tricky to reach that double lock because it's right up against that front plate, which is an effort to make it harder to get to, and it works. Try a few different angles. Should have learnt by now. Practice is good.
You'd have thought so.
To be honest, there's a bit of us that doesn't particularly like practicing before turning the camera on. Oh, got a bit of movement there, can that? Not quite. Because if I practice, I can make it look easier than it actually is. There we go. Lock off. But it gives a false impression. I prefer to make it look a little more real most of the time. Oh, got a couple of notches out there and the rest of the way out. So you were correct. The Clejuso 11r cannot beat the beef. So that is now, because Pocket Woman requested that I start doing a scoreboard. It is now beef 12, cuffs 3. That's all from us.
Woo.
See you next time.
Bye. I meant the handcuffs.
You had full confidence in the handcuffs?
Yes.
The handcuffs failed.
No, I mean I had full confidence in the beef.
Oh.
What? I'm confused. I knew you could open them. That's what I meant. I don't like this beef thing. It confuses my brain.
Okay.